Once you've made your exercise plan, you're definitely going to want to send it to your patient. Remember, send out as many exercise plans to as many patients as you can, because it's a brilliant marketing tool for your clinic. It makes you look super cool. So you can email it, and that will send the email straight away to the patient. Now, you can make the email custom, so if you want to personalize your email a little bit, you might just want to edit the title of the email or change the text in the email, and it will auto input your logo and your clinic details, so it personalizes the email and it makes it really, really nice. You can attach the diary to the exercise plan as well. That's and then you can send the email. That's it, and it's sent. Now, I love this new feature of SMSing or WhatsApp. So let's send an SMS to our patient. Click the SMS. Here's my patient number, and it's already inputted. Send SMS, and we've sent it. Let's send a WhatsApp. Now in the WhatsApp, we can put a little bit more information in the WhatsApp. You can't edit this because it has to be set as a template, but it still gives you a little bit more information that goes in. And click Send WhatsApp, and I've now sent a WhatsApp. I might want to print it for my patient, so let's print. You can select which size of picture you want to print. So let's say our patient is a little bit older and they want something a little bit larger with a larger picture and larger font. Then let's make it a bit larger, or maybe there's quite a few exercises and we just want to print a summary. Select the print option that you want and either download or print it. Click print and it will print. That's how you send a program to a patient. It's super quick, super easy, super efficient, and it just works so well.